Despite obsolete equipment and outdated styling, the Frontier still sells well. The geriatric midsizer has standard pickup truck abilities, sea towing, hauling, and off-roading, but it can't match the features and finesse of modern rivals. Instead, its configurable cargo box and off-road ready add-ons appeal to tradesmen and adventurers. An optional 261 horsepower V6 and a sturdy chassis contribute to respectable driving dynamics. Still, the absence of desirable options and the harsh reality of a desolate interior are difficult to overlook. All in all, the Frontier is a great tool for the 9-to-5 grind, but that's about it. High's affordable work truck abilities, configurable cargo box, decent driving dynamics, low's ancient-looking interior, few desirable features, old enough to attend middle school dances, verdict an obsolete option compared with modern midsize rivals. What's new for 2018? The Frontier carries over into 2018 with minute changes. The base model adds more standard equipment such as air conditioning, a backup camera, cruise control, and a 5.0-inch non-touch color display with Bluetooth connectivity. Nissan's Midnight Edition trim joins the Frontier lineup later in the year, adding black exterior pieces, grille, 18-inch wheels, step rails, and more. What was new for 2017? Since its introduction in 2005, yes, 12 years ago, the current gen Frontier is largely the same, apart from a glorified facelift for 2009 that also brought the off-road-oriented Pro 4X trim. It has received only minor updates that continued for 2017, with a list of changes that included a new body color rear bumper, previously chrome, and a work truck package. Both revisions applied to the entry-level S-trim, with the option package adding a spray-in bedliner, bedrail caps, splash guards, and rubber floor mats. Trims and options. We'd choose the Frontier is outmatched by modern rivals on pretty much every level. However, it can be an affordable option for those who want a straightforward pickup truck and don't care about fancy bells and whistles. For that, we like the mid-level S-Fat trim with the optional V6 and 5-speed automatic transmission. It starts at $25,945 with the extended king cab and rear-wheel drive. We'd avoid the crew cab due to its limited legroom and $1,130 premium. Four-wheel drive costs $2,890 with this setup, but it's a must.